This is the Gro-Clock. Alright, coming in from Amazon, we have the Gro-Clock. Do you have a child who likes to get up ridiculously early or can't tell the difference between 3 o'clock in the morning and 8 o'clock in the morning? Well, the Gro-Clock might be something that could be useful to you. Certainly will be to me. I have a 6-year-old who likes to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and come downstairs and say, "Is it time that I can watch TV yet?" Well, this is an amazing sleep trainer for young children, and it comes with a free storybook. Okay, so it's an alarm clock, yeah, that works for kids. As you can see, there's a bit of a sun here and a moon there. So, well, let's just get it out of the box and have a look at it. It retails for about £15 on Amazon. I believe there's a more expensive version of it that's about 30 quid as well, but I didn't look too far into that because why would you look at a £30 version whenever there's a £15 version? So the clock is difficult to get out. Right, got it. We have a book, which is quite small. It's not a big hardback book or anything, but it's a book nonetheless. It makes it a little bit more fun for the kids and something to read at snoozy sleeping time. How to use your Gro-Clock, what the buttons do: scroll up, scroll down, enter, set time, set nighttime sleep mode, set daytime nap mode, set audible alarm, and set LED brightness. Okay. There's a lot more instructions here than I had thought. We have a charger type thing. Well, at least it means. Wow, it's quite a difficult box to put together. It's weird. Alright, so here it is, stored in a little plastic bag. It looks like a mirror that you can style your hair in. There is a plastic cover on the front here to keep it from getting damaged during transit. It's white plastic. It's not that big, or it's not that small, I suppose. I was expecting something a wee bit larger, but yeah, okay. It's got 2 little feet here. There's no rubber feet or anything like that, so it does slide everywhere. We have the buttons, which are hard plastic. Gro-Clock written there. Around the back we have logo for Gro Company, and we have the power connector here. Very, very simple. Nothing too much. We have some information at the bottom there, so we have got a model number and the power information. Right, let's get it plugged in. Haha! Right, so it has detected that it's midnight, apparently. And we hit down to... oh, there's the sun. Press the scroll down button 3 times until the settings menu. That must be the settings menu with some flashing bits and bobs. We have a clock, a star, the sun, a bell, and a bulb. Pressing this will make the clock flash. And press that again to select. Okay, so we go and set the time. Google, what time is it?
It's 4:54.
So we go for... okay, so it doesn't flip from AM to PM automatically. Probably be 4:55 by the time we get this, and then we switch between AM and PM. And on, depending on whether you want the digital clock to be visible. So we'll keep that on. And we're flashing again. So pressing the star is the night sleep time. So we generally put ours to sleep at about 8 PM. That's his bedtime. And then the wake time at 12 PM would be perfect. Okay, that will get him up just in time for lunch. No, he will be up well before that. He's smarter than that. So we'll go with 8 AM. A good 12 hours is what a 6-year-old needs, or at least his parents need. And then there's an alarm, which we're not going to bother setting. There's no point. We'll keep that off. And then the light bulb, which adjusts the brightness. Oh. So there we go. We can dim it way down to 0 or back up to super bright. We'll keep it as super bright just to see how it is, but it's good to know how we do that whenever we put him in bed, independent how much this illuminates the room. So it's set at 4:57 p.m. We've got the sun on. I don't exactly know whether, I guess that means... Oh, he winked at us there. And he blinks. And then he changes to night. And the stars come out. And it's 4:57. So that must be a nap type thing. Okay, so we're going to have a listen to the alarm and see how loud it is. Google, what time is it?
4:59.
Okay, so we've set the alarm. Right, okay, so that is just a pretty boring sound. I had hoped that it might be a bit more exciting than that. We'll turn the alarm off for the time being. So these should be the hours of the day. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which I hadn't actually realized. If we go to night, it should change to little moons or stars around the side. Clock reaches the time that we set, then it changes to sun. So this will change to sun at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Not entirely sure why it's showing as a moon right now whenever it's 5 o'clock at night and we didn't set the bedtime until 5 o'clock or until 8 o'clock. And the book apparently explains the function of the clock to the child. Obviously we have the sun that appears in the corner as the duck has a perilous journey and the pig goes to sleep. And then the moon comes out whenever it's night time and the sun's going away. Okay, well, I'll have a go at reading this to the boy tonight, and we'll see if this works quite well. Hopefully it'll awaken him at a reasonable hour, or at least he'll look at it and go, oh no, it's still night time. Can't get up just yet, and he'll stay in bed. That would be fantastic, and allow Mummy and Daddy to get a bit of a lie-in on the Saturday morning. How fantastic would that be? Alright, well, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button and give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy. Remember to check out the Tech Addicts podcast. We're approaching episode 300, so remember to turn on those notifications, and take care.